Hey everyone, once again it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World toy review. Today we'll be looking at the new Jurassic World Primal Attack Extreme Chomping Tyrannosaurus. This figure is just a repaint of the Legacy Collection Extreme Chomping Rex. So it has similar features such as pressing on the neck and the head opens. The camera doesn't seem to want to focus. And it's got that very nice dark brown and grayish brown color, like the one that came out in the 2019 lineup. And we'll check the back of the packaging. It's got, I believe that's the same stance, just like photoshopped a different color from the Legacy Collection Rex. It's got some assortment on the back, the smaller figures you can get, and again that kind of hologram computer screen like texture. It's even got this very nice side art of the figure, just a copy paste of the one on the back, but some more visuals on the side. I really like that. Let's get this guy out of the package. I mean gal. I seem to have misplaced my cutters. There they are. Bingo. Now, when I saw this figure here in Canada, it's quite expensive. I think it's like $40 or $50. I'm not sure how much it is in the States. I believe much cheaper. I see this guy at Walmart and Toys R Us. The tail is held in by something. Yeah, I wasn't banking on it being easy to remove from the packaging. So I do not want to go through editing this video because my computer's running out of space. So I'm trying to fit everything into just one take and uploading it. It's kind of a hassle adding it to iMovie, editing it, cropping it. Eventually I'll get more used to that. But yeah, so this figure, you can remove it from the package by cutting the tape on one side. And it's got a flap that opens up here. The side I was kind of praising before, I kind of need to just open the tape on. Usually with the Rexes and larger figures, there is a some little pegs on the feet that kind of prohibit it from moving around. I guess make it harder for people to yank it out of the box. They're very common on the first wave figures with the feet. So besides having tape on one side, it's got the flaps glued. I guess for extra safety precaution. Now there's the pegs. So usually I like to keep the boxes, so I just kinda get my fingers in there, and you gotta pull up that little plastic tab. I don't know if you can see it that good. It's a little plastic black tab in there with a circle. Pull that up and then rotate it, and then it should pop out of the foot. Got one foot. The other one's a little bit further back there. Luckily my arms are pretty skinny. There we go, and she's out. Get rid of the box. So again, there's not much to this figure besides being a repaint. Gotta put the tail in, line up this kind of amphibious-like skin ridge. I do love the darker colors, and since this Rex figure is a little bit smaller than the ones with mechanisms, it gives a lot more posability, I guess, with this mold. So you can turn the neck, make it look up and down, and have it as a stand-in for that new darker colored Rex. So overall, I do love the colors, and the mold is great. I'm happy that they finally did a repaint that isn't just for the Legacy Collection or Battle Damage line where it's the same color, or the green one. This has a very nice color palette. On the bottom it's got this kind of beigey color going all the way through, and it just looks very natural, especially the pattern on the back too. Since it's Legacy Collection, again, I said it's smaller than most of the Tyrannosaur molds. And of course this figure has that chomping action where it can grab stuff and bite. The tongue's facing up, but it's not part of the jaw. There is variants where the tongue is molded into the jaw, and some of the original molds of this Rex just have the tongue attached to this back part. But I like that kind of resting tongue position. And let's get the scan code real quick. Awesome. So it's kind of a pricey buy, but it was definitely worth it. And it's a good addition to this lineup. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.